Hi friends, let me show you this Dad's gift box that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really nice gift for any dad, for any occasion. As you can see, the box is really nice. It's a black, dark, brown, dark, black box. Best dad ever, thank you. And let me show you. When you open it up, it says, love you, Dad, okay? And you'll find first one pair of love you, Dad socks. Okay? Love you, Dad. Okay? A set of socks. You get also this bracelet to my dad. Okay? Really nice bracelet with brown and silver and black beds. Okay? Okay, you can adjust it to any size. And then someone can help you to put it on. Okay, so it's a nice bracelet. Okay. Also, you get a dear Dad, no matter how much time passes, you will always be my hero. Okay? And you get a straw. It's a glass straw. And this accessory to clean it, okay? If you want to use it with the straw or as a regular tumbler, of course, okay? Also, you get a key ring with a can opener, okay? That love you forever with a beer accessory here. Nice one, okay? So black key ring. Very nice. Also, okay, you get a card especially for you, where you can write something with a white or clear ink pen. You get this like filling material that makes it look nice. And you get this hammer that it's like a accessory hammer. It's like a hammer, but also you can open it and it has some like you can use it like that, or you can get a lot of accessories inside. Look, okay, has some knives, a small screwdriver, and some other accessories. So it's a nice tool that you have in your office. I love you, Dad. Okay, so this is a nice gift set for any dad. Perfect.